Google, why are your Zodiac so? And tell what Google says. Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to type in Ellie and John YTT. So from my page you have to go to add your sticker at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. So here you have to click until you find the desired sticker, and you will also find viral trends right here, like this one or this one. This is super viral, so you can check this too if you want. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button once you are here. So if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then you can check the first pinned comment where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. And once I will do the story, I will show you from where you can get that link in the Instagram app. So first of all, let's do our story. So first we have to go to our favorite browser, and here you have to type in google.com, okay? And once you are on this page, you have to type in YR, then you have to type in your zodiac sign. In my case is Gemini, and then you have to type in so, and here you have to screenshot this page just like this, and you will use it in your Instagram story. So now let's go back to our Instagram story, and here you have to go to your uploads and choose your screenshot, and here you can make it bigger or smaller and place it where you want to make it more visible, and place your sticker where you want, of course. And once you are happy with your story, you just have to share it, and that's it. So now let me show you from where you can get that link in the Instagram app if you are not able to click on the add yours button. If you want to go to super viral at highlights, and here you will find the first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can check this YouTube link right here, which is a tutorial. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video, and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.